Now the interfacing of 8051 with DAC. So the what is DAC? DAC is digital to analog converter. The digital to analog converter, it is a device which is widely used to convert a digital pulses to analog signals. The digital to analog conversion is a process in which signals having a few, or we can say usually two, defined levels or the states that are converted into the signals having a theoretically infinite number of states. So common example is processing of computer data into audio frequency tone that can be transmitted over twisted pair by a modem of computer data telephone line. The circuit that performs this function is a digital to analog converter. So basically D to A converter is the opposite of D to A conversion. Digital to analog is opposite to analog to digital. So in most of the cases, if analog to digital converter, that is ADC, is placed in communication circuit after DAC, and the digital signal output is identical to digital signal input. So also in most instances, when DAC is placed after ADC, analog signal output is identical to analog signal input. So there are two methods of creating DAC, binary weighted and R by 2R ladder. The vast majority of integrated circuit DAC, including the MC1408, use R by 2R method since it can achieve a much higher degree of precision. And the first criteria for judging a DAC is its resolution, which is a function of the number of binary input. The common ones are 8, 10 and 12 bits, and the number of data bit inputs decided the resolution of the DAC since the number of analog output level is equal to 2, where n is number of data bit input. So 8-bit DAC provide 256 discrete voltage or current level of output, and 12-bit DAC provides 4096 discrete voltage levels. So here algorithm and the flow chart diagram is shown here. So MAC 0808 module is connected with 8051 microcontroller, and we require IC 741 op-amp, that is operational amplifier, to convert the current into voltage. The DAC 0808, that is MC1408, the digital outputs are converted to the current, and by connecting the resistor to IO pin, we convert the result to the voltage, and the total current provided by I out pin is a function of a binary number at D0, D7 input of the DAC, and the reference current is I reference F. So when D0 is LSB, the D7 is MSB for the input, and I reference is the input current that must be applied to pin number 14. Now here is the flowchart assembly language program. Start, configure port P1 as output load P1. So this is the flowchart for the square wave generation. Now to generating the sine wave, we need a table whose values represent the magnitude of the sine of the angle between 0 and 360 degree. So the value of sine function vary from -1 to +1 or 0 to 360 degree angle. So the table values are integer number representing the voltage magnitude for the sine of the theta, and this method ensures that only integer numbers are output to the DAC by 8051 microcontroller.